guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be doing another wig install. So the wig that we're going to be installing today is coming from Asteria Hair. So shout out to Asteria Hair for sponsoring this video and sending me this unit. They sent me a 22-inch 5x5 HD lace closure wig. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. This video is fairly short. It's a pretty simple install because I'm just going to be cutting bangs into the closure wig. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing me do this install, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is the final look with the bangs. Y'all, this was the easiest. I know I say this all the time, but this was literally the easiest install that I've done this far. Like, literally took no time. All I had to do was cut the bangs, and then off camera I did try to like thin the hair out, cut a little bit of layers in there. I don't know if you guys can really tell on camera, but I did attempt to cut layers in it. So yeah, I would say with all of that probably took me maybe 20 minutes to complete. So yeah, this is definitely like the easiest install that I've done. But on the other hand, it took me like 4 months to actually film the video and get this out. So like the original clips that you guys saw in the beginning are from 4 months ago. I know, pretty sad, but we're here, we got it out and we got it done. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.